right up for you. Is it pretty busy at the clinic?
Very much.
Very much so.
Luckily, next week we only have 2 patients, so we kind of can relax a little.
Oh, really? 2 patients?
Yes.
Oh.
That's been very hectic this year.
Yeah. Only 2. I thought we had 6 patients coming to Christina this last weekend.
Mm-hmm.
I thought it was 6. So you're doing only 2 patients.
No, this next coming week.
This next coming will
we
be
only
good.
have 2.
Oh,
but
okay,
this
good.
week we didn't have 6.
You have 6. Quite hectic. Yeah, that is. Especially for the lab.
Yeah, these are yours, right?
Those are mine.
Yep.
See your
Can I
name?
see anything in there? Can I see them in all of them?
No, you can't.
Oh, you
No,
can't.
they're microscopic.
That's a 60 million?
These are 44 million.
Oh, 44 million. So that's 60 on Tuesday, now 44 now.
Yes.
Okay, cool. Yep, those are mine. Says my name on them.
Why the saline? What is that?
The saline, the first we flush the IV
yeah.
so there are no clots,
Right.
and we make sure that it's in the right place. Sometimes it blows up, so we know.
Okay,
that it's
so
not
but
in
it
the
takes so it takes that much saline to get that determined.
vein.
Wow.
And then in the end, to flush all the cells that are left in the catheter.
Yeah.
Okay.
This is just the medication for
Oh,
to
Benadryl.
prevent
Oh, yeah. I love that.
reaction. Did
I
you
slept
sleep
like
a lot?
an hour and a half when I got back. I slept really good. No headache, no fever, no nothing.
10 cc's of Benadryl.
No, it's 1 cc diluted in 10 cc.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, that's right. Right.
That
Do you
was-
have medical background?
No,
No.
I do not. I am a farmer that works with a lot of livestock, so
Uh-huh.
there's just a lot of information I've gotten through that, where we use vaccines, deal with
Uh-huh.
viruses and bacterias, and I do the diagnosis, so I have some understanding.
No.
But beyond, there's a leap of faith to say I know much more than that. The question that had come up, though, among us there was, if you had an injury while you were on this treatment over the month, that stem cells may go there instead of fix the myelin.
It depends on the type of injury, but yes, it's
Yes.
possible.
The question then is, but the stem cells are in the spinal fluid.
Not
What
the
is-
ones that are given IV.
No, but that's at the end. But 3 weeks ago, if she had an injury, why? How does the stem cell from the spinal fluid go to, say, the toes?
They have the capability of migrating.
Through the blood?
Yes.
So they migrate into the blood from the.
Just like bacteria and virus do.
Okay.
The same capability. And the other way around too. From blood they can go to the brain.
I see. Well, yes, we know that, I guess, just from meningitis.
Exactly.
Yeah. So the stem cells are leaking out all the time.
Not all the time.
No, but
But
yeah,
yes.
some are being, okay. Because she had an injury from the liposuction. Did
That's
you?
why we do mini liposuction, not major.
Yeah.
So when patients ask to have a major liposuction, we try to discourage them to do it.
Did you increase the stem cells because of her injury? Do you know?
I don't understand what you mean.
She had an injury from the liposuction when they put the girdle on. It pinched her skin, and she had.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Yeah.
They did that.
I didn't know.
They caught the skin in the body suit that was put on, and it folded it over.
Uh-huh.
So she had a lot of pain, and then it's all black and blue. And the concern was, my stem cells are going to fight that instead of doing the work it's supposed to.
Usually it has to be something major,
Okay.
not some condition of the skin.
Okay.
The pain was major.
Yeah.
Yeah, pain was weird. Okay. Still got the
Okay,
same
well,
numbers.
that's
When
what-
did that happen? I didn't know.
That was when when they did the lipo, that Thursday when I came in.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, then Friday when I took it off, then the girlfriend that was with me looked up the side legs, she saw, Marge, looks like you've been burned all the way down. So I mentioned that to Holly, and Holly, I think, mentioned it to Dr. Laura or somebody.
Yeah, 'cause
And
I
I'll just
didn't
put,
know.
I'll just put in my comment box that they need to be careful when they put that on when you're not awake. Because it was like, yeah, I could feel it very much so.
Yeah,
So.
you said it folded the skin over?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know how
Pinched
it did
it.
it, but it was pinched. Big time. So,
But when we changed it, you didn't mention anything. Remember that
when
I
we
helped
took
you
off the
change
blood
it?
one?
Yeah.
Yep. No, I did not. I guess I was focusing on getting the bloody girdle off and put a new one on. Yeah, you're right. I did not. Oh yeah, now I feel a little pressure in the head.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There's a little
Okay.
pressure in there.
Mm-hmm.
Still there?
Yeah, it's still a little pressure.
Okay. We know when it's gone.
Okay.
How many, do you have any idea how many stem cells would be in the spinal fluid? You put,
Afterwards,
yeah, just always, in a normal individual,
there are none.
there are none.
No.
In the cerebral or spinal fluid, there are no stem cells. Oh, okay. Interesting.
We only have them in bone marrow or adipose tissue or the alveoli of the tooth.
What was that? Yeah, and in the fat tissue.
There are some in the gut tract, the gastrointestinal tract as well, and the liver too.
Okay, but that's the only locations.
Mhm.
And they're there because they regenerate?
Correct.
Yeah. And the liver I can understand.
Is it gone?
It's getting there.
Okay.
It's getting milder.
We also talked about this morning that she has started getting some of the feeling back in her leg. And that means the myelin is being healed where there's a lesion. Will that healing, is that already be completed now when she goes home, or will those stem cells continue healing from now on?
No, they continue working up until 6 months after.
Okay. Because that's, the thought is that, well, I've got the feeling back, and the reason I can't walk well is because I haven't used those muscles. So if I get those muscles to work, I'll be all right. But the healing continues. It's made the connection, electrical connection's been made, but it's not complete yet. It's got to keep healing.
Correct.
Yeah. Okay.
And it may not be complete. It all depends on the size of the lesion that she has and all that. So it may not be complete.
But let's assume the T cells are reprogrammed. Does that mean in a year she could come back and it'll start more healing?
Could be.
It could be. Okay. Yeah. So in theory, if she took enough T cells over time, she could reverse all of it, maybe. The myelin that was damaged.
No, I'm not sure.
No.
No.
Apenas venga Karen. Un ratito. Ya más bien, si ella no se siente mareadita ni nada, ya la podemos ir vistiendo.